If you're an ICU nurse dreaming about becoming a CRNA, here's the thing, you already have what it takes. But it's not just about being smart or having experience. It's about mindset. That's your ability to push past pressure, failure, and the voice in your head that says you can't. In this video, I'm going to share how ICU nurses develop the kind of grit that it takes to make it through CRNA school and come out stronger on the other side. Not long ago, my brother graduated from CRNA school, and sitting in that auditorium, watching him walk across the stage, it brought everything back. The long nights in the ICU, the rejection, the self-doubt. It reminded me that this journey isn't just about earning a different job title. It's about becoming the kind of person who doesn't quit when things get hard. Now you may be in the same place, exhausted, unsure of yourself, wondering if you're good enough. But trust me, that's where grit is born. Your time in the ICU isn't just about learning drips, vents, and titrations. It's about building mental toughness, because once you're in anesthesia training, it's not your IQ that gets you through. It's your ability to keep showing up when you're exhausted. Now here's the best part. This isn't just motivational talk. The research actually backs this up. Studies show that nursing and graduate students with higher levels of grit and resilience perform better under stress and are more likely to make it through demanding programs. Psychologist Angela Duckworth, who was the first to define the concept of grit, found that long-term success isn't just about how smart you are, but how consistent you are when things get tough. In one study, she tracked cadets at the Military Academy West Point and found that their grit scores predicted who would graduate better than physical fitness and IQ alone. And we see the same pattern show up in nursing education. A 2016 study by Thomas and Revel found that students with higher grit scores were significantly more likely to complete their programs, even when prior grades and experience were the same. Now that's the science. Grit isn't just some abstract idea. It's measurable and it changes outcomes. Every time you push through fatigue, frustration, or failure, you're strengthening the neural pathways that help you handle stress better next time. You're literally training your brain to stay calm under pressure. So how do you actually build grit? Well, here are 3 things, and they all start in the ICU. First, don't avoid the sickest patients and most challenging assignments. Volunteer for them. That's how you train your brain to stop seeing discomfort as danger, because it's not, it's growth. And when you start doing hard things, you stop being afraid of them. Because when CRNA school starts to get tough, with back-to-back tests, late-night call shifts, missed intubations, the grit that you built in the ICU becomes your edge. Next, learn to recover fast, because you're gonna fail. Everybody does. You're gonna blank out on a question a preceptor asks you. You'll miss an IV. You're gonna get a lot of criticism that stings, but that's okay. The nurses who make it through CRNA school aren't the ones who never fail. They're the ones who bounce back. Failure doesn't define you, your recovery does. So the faster you can move from I messed up to what can I learn from this, the stronger you'll be. And last, focus on consistency over perfection. There are gonna be days where you'll feel unstoppable, and there will be days where you're just surviving. That's okay, that's normal. But grit isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up over and over again, even when it's not glamorous. Just remember, consistency beats perfection every time. And CRNA school doesn't reward perfection, it rewards persistence. The people that finish are not just the smartest ones, they're the ones who kept showing up. If you could handle the chaos of the ICU, you could handle CRNA school. You already know what it's like to work under pressure and to stay calm when others panic. Now take that same mindset and apply it towards your goals on becoming a CRNA. Every CRNA I've ever met has one thing in common. They just never stopped showing up. If this video helped you shift your mindset, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below sharing one challenge you're going through right now. Thank you so much for watching. I've got plenty more videos coming your way.